In this video, we're breaking down the best 360-degree dash cams for 2025, comparing their features, video quality, night vision, parking modes, app connectivity, and overall value, so you can find the perfect all-around camera for your car. From mid-range options that give excellent coverage to premium units packed with Starvis sensors and 24/7 monitoring, we've got you covered. All the links are in the description so you can check them out while watching. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which dash cam deserves a spot in your car, and I'll even help you pick the one that fits your budget and needs perfectly. Let's dive in. All the links are in the description. Number 6. Neideso N300 360-degree dash cam. Ever wondered what it would be like to have a bird's eye view of your entire car at all times? The Neideso N300 360-degree dash cam is a powerhouse for drivers who want full coverage front, rear, and inside the cabin, featuring 4 channels with a 2K front camera and 3 1080p cameras, Wi-Fi, GPS, and even voice control for hands-free commands. With night vision enhanced by WDR and infrared, it keeps recording when it's dark, and the included 64GB SD card means users can start capturing footage right out of the box. In real-world use, daytime footage is crisp and clear, parking monitoring works reliably, and the GPS adds valuable context to every clip. The app connectivity is intuitive, though voice commands can sometimes struggle in noisy traffic, and night vision isn't as strong in pitch-black environments as some premium competitors. Compared with other 4-channel dash cams like 70mi or Wolfbox models, the Neideso N300 holds its own with a feature-rich design and solid build, even if it doesn't offer class-leading low-light clarity or the fastest Wi-Fi speeds. Its strength is in delivering broad coverage, 24/7 monitoring, and GPS logging at a mid-range price, making it ideal for daily commuters, families, or rideshare. Drivers who want multi-angle protection without overspending. What do you think about a dash cam that sees in all directions? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Pros: 4-channel 360-degree coverage with 2K plus 1080p cameras. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy access to videos. Night vision and 24/7 parking mode for all-day protection. Cons: voice control can be inconsistent in noisy traffic. Night vision isn't as strong as some premium cams. Full parking mode may require hardwiring. Number 5. PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam. Imagine never having a blind spot again while driving or parking. This is exactly what the PRUVEEO 360-degree dash cam delivers, with 4 full HD cameras capturing front, rear, left, and right angles, plus a dedicated cabin view for rideshare or family use. Its built-in GPS logs precise speed and location, while Wi-Fi connects to the PRUVEEO mobile app for wireless access to recordings, and night vision with f1.8 apertures ensures visibility in low-light situations. The 24/7 parking monitoring, time-lapse recording, loop recording, and emergency G-sensor add a professional-grade layer of security, and a generous 128GB SD card comes included for extended footage. Real-world users praise its crisp video, GPS reliability, and app convenience, though Wi-Fi can occasionally be inconsistent and full parking mode requires a hardwire kit. Compared with simpler dual-camera setups, PRUVEEO's 360-degree coverage is much more comprehensive, though it doesn't match higher-end 4K systems in sheer clarity. It's a strong choice for anyone prioritizing complete vehicle security, from commuters to commercial drivers, and it comes at a price that doesn't break the bank. Do you think 4 cameras are enough to catch everything on the road? Let me know in the comments below. Pros: true 360-degree Fair and HD coverage with 4 cameras. GPS and Wi-Fi for location tracking and wireless access. night vision plus 24/7 parking mode with
128GB SD card. Cons: Wi-Fi can be unreliable. Parking mode needs hardwiring. Resolution limited to 1080p. Number 4. IIWEY N5 360 degrees dash cam. For those who crave total coverage and real-time control, the IIWEY N5 360 degree dash cam delivers 4 simultaneous 1080p channels covering front, rear, left, and right angles, including the interior, paired with a 128GB SD card and support for up to 256GB storage. Loop recording ensures continuous capture, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus the free app allows fast wireless downloads, live preview, and clip sharing. Night vision with 8 IR lamps and f1.8 lenses keeps footage readable in darkness, while the G sensor and motion detection lock crucial events. Parking mode records in time-lapse or collision-triggered formats, though it requires a hardwire kit. Compared with higher-end options like Vantrue N5, it lacks built-in GPS and ultra-high resolution, but for mid-range buyers, it offers comprehensive coverage, strong night vision, and app-based convenience. Everyday driving, rideshare monitoring, or family use all benefit from its broad coverage. Are you someone who'd want an app to control every angle of your car? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Pros: 360-degree 4-camera coverage in full HD. Strong night vision with WDR and 8 IR lamps. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and free app for easy control. Cons: no built-in GPS. Parking mode requires hardwire kit. Wi-Fi can be unstable. Number 3. ZMOPO 360 View 4-channel dash cam. If safety and visibility are top priorities, the ZMOPO 360-degree dash cam is engineered for drivers who want to see everything around their vehicle. It uses 4 1080p cameras with 160-degree wide-angle lenses to cover front, rear, left, right, and interior, paired with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and a mobile app for fast downloads. Night vision with WDR and 8 IR lights makes dark footage readable, while a supercapacitor ensures durability in extreme heat. Loop recording keeps the memory fresh, and parking mode with time-lapse adds extra protection, though GPS and full parking require separate accessories. Real-world users report dependable coverage, solid video, and intuitive app control, though installation and some advanced features can be tricky. Compared with mid-range competitors, ZMOPO excels in comprehensive 4-camera monitoring at a reasonable price. Would you trust a dash cam to watch every angle of your car? Comment below. Pros: 4 1080p cameras for true 360-degree coverage. Fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi and app for easy management. Supercapacitor and night vision for reliable performance. Cons: GPS and parking mode need extra accessories. App interface can be unintuitive. Mounting can be bulky. Number 2. Vantrue N5S 360-degree dash cam. Step into premium territory with the Vantrue N5S, offering true 360-degree recording via a 2.7K front camera, 1440p rear, and dual 1080p interior lenses with Starvis 2 sensors for high-quality day and night footage. With WDR IR night vision, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, dual GPS, and voice control, it's a tech-packed solution for rideshare drivers, families, and safety-focused commuters. Its 24/7 buffered parking mode records 10 seconds pre-impact, and it supports up to 1 terabyte storage, all powered by a heat-resistant supercapacitor. In practice, video clarity, night vision, and coverage are exceptional, though installation complexity and Wi-Fi quirks may challenge some users. Compared with simpler dual camera models, it's a standout for complete monitoring, but comes at a premium. Would you invest in a dashcam with nearly everything included? Share your opinion in the comments. Pros: Starvis 2 4-channel 360-degree coverage. Built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and voice control. Buffered 24/7 parking mode with 1 TB storage support. Cons: Wi-Fi can be finicky. Installation is complex. Higher cost. Number 1. LAMTTO 360-degree dashcam. For drivers seeking a complete and practical mid-range solution, the LAMTTO 360-degree dashcam delivers 4-channel 1080p recording for front, rear, and both interior sides, paired with 5G Wi-Fi and app control for wireless video management. Its 8 IR night vision lights ensure visibility in darkness, while loop recording, G-sensor impact detection, and 24/7 parking monitoring via hardwire kit provide strong security. Users find daytime and nighttime footage reliable, installation straightforward, and the app convenient, though Wi-Fi can occasionally hiccup and full parking effectiveness depends on proper wiring. Compared with dual camera setups, it gives total coverage without stepping into premium pricing, making it ideal for commuters, families, and rideshare drivers. Would you choose a 360-degree dashcam that balances features, price, and simplicity? Comment below. Pros: 4 1080p channels for complete coverage. 5G Wi-Fi and app control. 8 IR lights and 128GB SD card included. Cons: Wi-Fi can be inconsistent. Full parking mode needs hard wiring. 1080p is standard, not Ultra HD. All the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more top dashcam guides. Which 360-degree dashcam would you pick for 2025? Let me know in the comments.